Welcome to the part 40 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video we will be looking at common prefixes and suffixes. Alright, so in this video we will be looking at some common prefixes and suffixes. So first of all we have these for, and fur. Alright, so to represent all these we use F in Gregg Shorthand, alright? Like this, right? So this is a small curve. This is a short curve. So suppose we have a word called forget. Forget, so we can simply write forget word like this, right? This is our F, so we used F here to represent our for, right? And then we have this long curve which is our G character, and then we have this vowel, and then we have this T, alright? So this is our word forget. So here we used our just F to represent our for. Right. Next, suppose if we have a word called foresee. Alright, so see, we have this for now here in this word, and we can represent this for by simple F. So we can make this foresee word like this. Alright, so this is our first of all F, that is for. Then we have this S and vowel. Alright, so this is our word foresee. Next, suppose we have a word called furnish. So see, we have this for now this time here in this word. And as I mentioned here, we can use F here also to represent our fur. So we can write this word like simply like this. This is our F. We used F here to represent our for prefix. Then we have this short stroke which is our N. Then we have this ish, alright? And here we have a vowel also here. So we have this word furnish. Alright. So now this was the prefix. So suppose let's look at the suffixes now. So we have this full and ify. Alright, so this is FUL and this is IFY. So ify. So to represent these suffixes we use F here also. Alright, which is like this. So suppose we have a word called awful. So see, we have this full now, this full suffix in this word. So we can use F here also to represent our full suffix. So we can make this word like simply like this. Alright. So this is our first of all aw. This is our O hook and a sound of aw, so that's why we put the dot here also, because we have a sound of aw as in raw, if you remember from the previous lessons. And then we finally made just our single F to represent our full. Alright, so this is our word awful. So let's take another word like simplify. So we have this ify now here in this word IFY. So we can represent this ify or IFY by F here also. So we can make this word like this. Alright, this is our S. Then we have this vowel. Then we have this long stroke which is our M. Alright, then we have this P. And then we just made this single F to represent our ify or ify suffix. So this is our word simplify. Alright, next we have this suffix self. Right, so to represent the self suffix, we simply use the S in Gregg Shorthand, which is either like this or like this. So suppose we have a word called himself. So we have this self now, self suffix here in this word. So we can make the himself word like this. So this is our dot, and we have this small circle vowel to represent our E sound as in it. Alright, so we have this dot to represent our hey. Alright, this is our H or hey, and then we have this M, this long stroke which is M. Then we finally made this S to represent our self, so we can call this word as himself. Alright, so now we have another suffix, selves. Alright, here we had self and here we are having selves. So we represent selves by says in Gregg Shorthand, which is like this. So we have two S here. Alright, so suppose we have a word called ourselves now. Ourselves. Alright, so we have this selves here. If you can notice the selves suffix, so we can make this word like this. Alright, this is our R, which is a short curve. Then we made 2S. Right, this is our 2S to represent our selves. So this is our says to represent our selves. Alright, so now we have this suffix age. So we represent this age suffix by J in Gregg Shorthand, which is a long stroke like this. Alright, so suppose we have a word called baggage. So we have this age here, this age suffix. So we can represent this age by simple J like this. So we can make this word like this. Alright, see, we have this first of all long curve, which is our B. Then we have this circle, which is a vowel. Alright, then we have this long curve, which is our K, which is our G. Then we finally made this just J to represent our age. Alright, so this is our word baggage. Alright, so if you can see this for, fur, and full, ify, and then we have this self, selves, and then finally age. So if you can notice, these are all the common prefixes and suffixes. Alright,